In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Gmail app on PC the easy way, even if what you actually need is to refresh your browser so Gmail loads properly and keeps working smoothly. This is a super quick fix for anyone who notices Gmail not opening correctly, messages not syncing, or the interface looking outdated. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, it's important to know that Gmail on a computer usually runs through your web browser, not as a separate app in the same way a mobile app does. So if you want Gmail to work better on PC, the first thing you should do is update your browser. This is the part that often fixes loading issues and gives you the latest support for Gmail features. If you're using Google Chrome, open Chrome and look at the top right corner of the browser. Click the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down, move your mouse to Help and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates right away. If an update is available, let it install completely. Once it finishes, click Restart to relaunch the browser and apply the update. If you're using Microsoft Edge, the process is very similar. Open Edge, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Help and Feedback, and then select About Microsoft Edge. Edge will check for the latest version and install any available updates automatically. After the update is complete, restart the browser so the new version can take effect. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, open Firefox and click the menu icon in the top right corner. Then go to Help and select About Firefox. Firefox will look for updates and download them if needed. Once the update is done, restart Firefox so everything is fully refreshed. Updating your browser is the main step here because Gmail depends on your browser to load correctly on PC. A lot of people think Gmail itself needs updating, but on desktop, the browser is what actually controls the experience. So once your browser is updated, you're already halfway there. Now let's refresh Gmail and make sure you're loading the latest version. Open your browser and go to https://mail.google.com/. Sign in if you need to, and once Gmail is open, press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. This forces a hard refresh, which tells the browser to reload the page more thoroughly instead of using stored data from the cache. This is especially useful if Gmail has been acting weird, not showing new emails, or not displaying changes correctly after a browser update. A hard refresh can help Gmail pull the latest files and reload everything cleanly. If Ctrl plus F5 doesn't seem to do anything on your keyboard, you can also try closing the tab and reopening Gmail after the browser restart. After that, check that Gmail is working normally. You should notice faster loading, a cleaner refresh, and better compatibility with the newest Gmail version. If you still have problems, make sure your browser is fully updated and that you've restarted it properly, because the restart is what completes the update process. So to quickly recap, update your browser through the browser menu, install any available updates, restart the browser, then open Gmail and press Ctrl plus F5 to refresh it. That's the simplest way to update Gmail on PC, and make sure you're using the latest version available through your browser. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.